Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you build a local RAG system on Android with Termux, query documents with AI offline, 2026. Let's get started. Install Termux and Alima. Install Termux from F-Droid, grant storage access, then install Alima with curl. fssl https://olama.com/install.sshsh. This gives you the LLM backend for RAG. Install Python RAG dependencies. Run package install Python numpy Python pandas and in pip install chromad langchain sentence transformers pypdf. These enable document parsing and vector search. Download an embedding model. Alima can pull embedding models too. Run Alima pull gnomic embed text. This converts your documents into vector embeddings for semantic search. Create your document index. Write a Python script that loads PDFs and text files, splits them into chunks, generates embeddings via Alima, and stores them in ChromaDB. Run RAG queries offline. Query your index documents with Alima. Run llama 3.2:1 b using the retrieve context. Your Android now answers questions about your own files, 100% offline. That's it for today. Subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android tutorials. Get the complete guide with all the scripts and troubleshooting at lawalfataikola.gumroad.com. See you tomorrow.